this is Atif. Today I got a notification while using Photoshop that this unlicensed Adobe app will be disabled soon. So, I would like to share this with everyone who is also getting this error and how they can get rid of this obstacle. So as you can see, Adobe Genuine Service alert pop-up appeared. This unlicensed Adobe app has been disabled. So now let's fix this error first. We need to close Photoshop using the End task. So simply open Windows Security Settings from search bar. Click on Firewall and Network Protection. Then click on Advanced Settings below. So this will take you to a new pop-up window. So in the top left corner, click Inbound Rules. Then go to the top right corner and click on New Rule. Then select the program and click on the Next button. So here we need to enter the Photoshop program path. Go to Search Panel and type Photoshop. Then right-click on it. Click on Open File Location. Again, right-click on Photoshop .exe and click Open File Location. Now right-click and select Copy as Path. So now go back to Settings window. Now paste the copied path. And don't forget to remove commas from both ends. Then select All and copy the path so we can use it again. So now go to Next. So now select Block the Connection and click Next. Check it if all three options are enabled and click Next. So here you need to type the name Adobe PS and click Finish. So now go to Outbound Rules and follow the same steps as before. Go to the top right corner and click on New Rule. Then select the program and click on the Next button. Now, you can paste the path you copied before. Then, go to the next click. Next click. Next. So here you must write the same name, Adobe PS, and click Finish and close everything. Let's open Photoshop again. Finally, there is no pop-up again. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe.